Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In my last video, I talked about how to get freelance clients during this Christmas rush, and in this video, I'm even coming back with bigger, better ways you can get freelance clients for yourself during this Christmas rush. And if you're not so busy, stick around to the end of the video because I'll give you all the juicy details you need to know how to get yourself freelance clients during this Christmas rush. Let's dive straight into the video. So the first way I'll be talking about in this video is collaboration. Of course, collaboration. Collaborate with other freelancers. This is the best time for team ups. A designer plus copywriter plus video editor equals to instant holiday marketing dream team. You can all promote one joint offer, split the clients, and make more money. Example, we will handle your Christmas social media campaign from design to copy to scheduling. That is how agencies are born, and December is your test. I'll be talking about the second way to get freelance clients during this Christmas rush is offer fast turnaround services. December clients are impatient. They want results like yesterday. If you can promise delivery between 24 to 48 hours, you will definitely beat everyone else and even charge higher for rush jobs. You can say, I charge 40,000 naira normally for this task, but for 24 hours delivery, I will be charging 60,000 naira. They will pay because time is worth more than money this Christmas period. I repeat, time is worth more than money in this Christmas period. And your secret weapon is speed plus quality. The third way you can get freelance clients during this Christmas rush is stay loud online. This is what I call carry your market for your head. I repeat, carry your market for your head. Stay loud online. While everyone is quiet and distracted, you should be loud, visible, and confident. Post short, helpful content about what you do. Example, 3 things your Christmas sale post needs to convert better, or why your holiday ads aren't getting engagements. Be that freelancer who educates and sells. Visibility equals opportunity, especially when competitors are offline. The fourth way you can get freelance clients during this Christmas rush is tap into returning clients. I repeat, tap into returning clients. Don't forget the people who already know your work. Reach out to past clients and say, hello, I have a Christmas offer for. Reach out to past clients and say, hello, I have a Christmas package for returning clients. Would you like to book a slot? Old clients are easy to win. They already trust you because they know your work. You just need to remind them. And if you can deliver good holiday results, then they might rehire you in January, leading to a long-term contract. The last and very important tip I'll be sharing in this video is prepare to upsell in January. Prepare to upsell in January. Here's the game. Don't just make money in December. Use December to plant January money. When you deliver Christmas projects, add a note. I can also help you plan your New Year marketing or Q1 strategy if you'd like to continue. Boom, you've turned a one-time gig into a long-term client. That's not freelancing, that is business. Listen up, December is not a break, it is a battlefield. The difference between that freelancer who is broke in January and that freelancer who is solid booked is who showed up in December. So while others are waiting for next year, you should be out there building momentum this year. Remember, money doesn't rest for Christmas, and neither should your skills. So get out there, be smart, and make your December your richest season yet. And thank you for joining me on today's episode of Money Time with Tree. I hope you learned something new and valuable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video to your friends and family, and turn on the notification bell to keep you updated on all my latest videos. And until next time, stay financially fabulous.